The Journey to Manhood, an African rite of passage in Ugbo. Going through the rite of passage is one of the greatest moments in the life of a celebrant and their parents. It is a thing of joy and pride for a parent in Ugbo to see their sons clothed as men. In many African cultures, the journey to manhood is marked by elaborate and deep-rooted rites of passage. These ceremonies, rich in symbolism and tradition, signifies the transition from boyhood to manhood, installing a sense of identity, pride, responsibility, and community belonging. Join me as we journey through the rivers and forests to the land of Oglugu on the mountain top to explore the significance, processes, and enriching impact of these rituals in Ugbo community in Enugu State, Southeast Nigeria.
Onye azụ na mgbe ya na-ama ihe amakwa m ka imelu ya mana nsogbu adịghị na amaala m ihe na-akpata iri mkperi ya.
Rites of passage are more than ceremonial practices. They are essential cultural framework that guides young men into adulthood. They encompasses various elements such as spiritual awakening, physical endurance, moral teaching, and community integration. This rite ensures that boys are not only ready for the physical challenges of adult life, but are also morally and spiritually prepared to contribute positively to their community and society at large. people of Ugbo, boys undergo the Iwa Akwa ceremony to mark their transition from adolescence to manhood. This ceremony is done once in 3 years between the age of 19 to 23 years old. The ceremony involves a series of activities aimed at fostering unity and bond among the age mates, and also as a test of bravery. The first stage and journey towards becoming a man in Ugbo is Iwa Akwa and Akwa. It is an official indication that one have come of age and ready to go through the rite of passage to be initiated into manhood. The second stage of the Iwa Akwa ceremony is what we call Akwa. This is an official invitation and announcement informing your kinsmen, age mates, umada, villagers and others to come and celebrate with you as you will be officially initiated into manhood during the next Ajo festival. This process helps in bonding the age mates. Every initiate are expected to perform the Akwa ceremony, and their age mates are expected to be present during the ceremony. It is their obligation to help their mates during the Akwa ceremony by fetching firewood and water, which will be used in cooking during the ceremony. They are also obliged to pound the melon seed that will be used in cooking the official delicacy for the festival, and they will stay overnight doing so while entertaining themselves with their fruits. On the day of the ceremony, the age mates are expected to be in their numbers to celebrate their mates and entertain the visitors with their fruits and Iwa Akwa. The parents of the celebrants and family members are usually over the moon seeing this ceremony take place in their family. The Akwa ceremony lasts a period of 7 months and ends few days before the Ajo festival. By then, all the initiates must have celebrated theirs. After the Nkatakwa ceremonies, the final stage of this initiation ceremony is called Ifunakwa. This is done during the Aju festival and 3 days are set aside for the celebrations. It is during the Aju festival that all the initiates will officially be presented to the community. It is the most joyful occasion in Ugbo. On the first day of the Aju festival, all the hamlets and villages that make up Ugbo will celebrate in their various village squares. The occasion witnesses performance from both the outgoing initiates and the incoming initiates. The highlights of the occasion are Iwa Akwa and Iwa gift giving. People from far and wide travel to Ugbo on this day to witness this epoch-making event.
Hey, we are live, direct at Ugbo, Enugu local government. Today is the first day of Aju festival. I'm here in Ugbo to celebrate with my brothers. Yeah, this is culture. Even my big brothers now. What are those?
I didn't make 3 years. Or more, I didn't do. Oh, yeah, man, I'm very working Ugbo. On the cabin, man, it was in a tata. Look at 3 years old, on doors or Apataqua, will make way. No man Ugbo Cobo, or they church. Or the Cobo, age grade. Oh, I know, no was in the tata. Ugbo audio, I'm sure the cage, man. I got Ugbo in around. Only that time, August, I just nobody know your abona, I phone your abona. So I can angry. No!
Because we don't care about it, because if you are not covering this in official, because you don't have to lose it. You don't have to lose it. Everything right on it. You don't have to lose it. Everything right on it.
After the initiates have been presented to the villagers, they are to come one after the other to the village arena to perform and receive gifts from friends, family, and well-wishers. But before then, their successors are to come and receive blessing from them as the next set of initiates come next Ajo festival.
Mado, you know at this stage. I have I have a alone no level no. Una dey killing no spectators today.
On the second day of the festival, all celebrants are inducted into the Ugbo cosmology through the Mwahishi ceremony. By this orientation, all the celebrants are compelled to trek and dance through the ancestral footpaths round the major villages and hamlets in Ugbo, ascending and descending the hills of Ugbo, crossing the rivers and streams. Most importantly, they are expected to lavishly display vigor, enthusiasm and agility through Iwa Akwa in about 15 village squares in Ugbo. Their fruits, opi, and song would always indicate their location at any particular time. This is strictly arranged in such a way that celebrants from Ugbo do not meet and crash with those from Ngenugbo or Ugbo. Neither would the Ugbo celebrants meet and crash with Ngenugbo celebrants. The parents and relatives would wait anxiously until their sons return from Mwahishi. The Mwahishi ceremony is one of the most taxing among all the activities done during this initiation ceremony. The Mwahishi ceremony is done in 3 groups: Ugbo, Ugbo and Ngenugbo. The people of Oyibo await their king from Ugbo at a place called Obodegbo, where they will usher them in with 21 gun salute to Obodike before proceeding to other villages. Although most people await Iwa Akwa at their various village squares, some do join them, especially the young ones. I joined Iwa Akwa from Oyibo and Ugbo to Manhood village before heading back to Obodike in Oyibo to await and welcome the celebrant from Ugbo and Ugbo and catch a glimpse of their performance at Obodike Oyibo.
You can't carry go. Oh! You can't go woman since I can tell you, man.
After the long day Mwahishi initiation ceremony, all the celebrants return to their various villages still full of energy. As the people of Oyibo return to Obodike, they are welcomed with gun salutes while they make their way to Oyibo Junction from Obodike before returning to their various homes to await the last day ceremony. On the day of Inyorio, the final day ceremony, which is called Ozubolibo, the gathering of all, the ceremony officially and publicly unites all the celebrants of the three components of Ugbo at Ugbo Nabo, the ancestral center of activities in Ugbo. This is the day the boys will officially be presented to the community and the world at large as men in Ugbo. The initiates are in the process fully incorporated and encultured into the core value of Ugbo's spiritual essence and cultural heritage. Apart from impacting the Ugbo consciousness in the initiated members, the Iwa Akwa confers on the celebrant all privileges, rights, dignity, and profound sense of belonging in the Ugbo society. Any male who has not performed the Iwa Akwa ceremony is considered a minor in the Ugbo worldview, and going by the standard of Ugbo custom and tradition, such a minor may not only be allowed to marry, but will not be entrusted with serious responsibility in the community. Every Ugbo parent looks forward with emotional excitement to the day his or her son will perform the Iwa Akwa ceremony. It is considered a thing of immense joy for a parent to witness the rite of passage of his or her son. It is greeted with enormous fanfare, gunshots, feasts, and dancing. Because of the relevance attached to the Ajo festival, all sons and daughters, well-wishers and friends of Ugbo, both at home and in diaspora, usually strive to be partake and be present during this great ceremony.
This Igbo Manhood is a very good friend to issue one of Africa, the black community one, Igbo land. But here come Kenel. Thank you now.
Oh my God! He's a bottom. He's a Satan.
The Iwa Akwa ceremony invokes the Ugbo spirit. It is the only ceremony that brings the entire community together. It enables the age grade members to know each other, and the bond created among the initiates lasts for life. All members by obligation refer to themselves as Jianyim, meaning my mate. It helps to assign value and functions to the age grade in the community development project, among many other things. The Iwa Akwa age grade system in Ugbo serves as an agent of change in Ugbo community and various Igbo communities at large. The initiates are fully incorporated and encultured into the Ugbo core value. Iwa Akwa impacts Ugbo consciousness, thereby infusing in the initiate the Ugbo pragmatic communalism. Imewanne, the Mbwahishi component of the Ajo festival, is an orientation task for the mastery of the vital tracks that connects the Ugbo communities, the major villages and village squares. The initiates are reminded that our forefathers passed through the same track, thereby connecting them to their past. Thank you for watching. See you in the next Ajo Festival come 2027. Hope you enjoyed the video. What festival do you celebrate in your community? If you have experienced Ajo Festival in Ugbo before, tell us in the comment section what your experience was like. Now I'm not going to tell you to subscribe to this channel. You know what to do. Ngwa, click the subscribe button and see you in my next video.